This is a quick video to introduce you to the latest innovation from Risbridger, which is a suction flip over valve with a square flanged outlet, a open and shut flip over valve with a poppet inside that lifts to allow fuel to flow when it's open, or to close for line testing when it's in the closed position. This version comes with this adapter, so this thread screws into the underside of this fitting, and this thread is a male 2-inch BSPT which will screw into any 2-inch socket or flanged on a tank lid. The benefit of this new solution is that a Risbridger 2-inch lightweight aluminium drop tube will slide through the adapter fitting, so it dramatically simplifies the installation of suction drop tubes inside tanks. We supply this aluminium drop tube with a flared top in 4-meter lengths, which can be cut to length on site. Included in the box with the flip over valve is this suction deflector, which can be riveted into the underside of the suction tube and ensures that when the tube is inside the storage tank, the fuel is drawn in sideways rather than directly from underneath, which helps to reduce the risk of sucking water or debris in the tank bottom up into the suction tube and out into your suction line to dispensers. Installation's really easy. Take the adapter, drop the drop tube through once cut to length, rivet the suction deflector on the bottom and screw it into the underside of the valve. Now the valve has an O-ring seal, or a good gasket O-ring seal there, which seals the top of the drop tube, and there's also another O-ring internally inside this adapter. So you get 2 seals on the drop tube. Screw this into the fitting. So I've screwed the adapter into the bottom of the suction flip over. Then you just drop this straight through your 2-inch opening on your tank, and using thread sealant you screw the entire fitting into the tank. So installation is easy for one man because the aluminium drop tube is lightweight. This can be tightened using the correct Risbridger tool, or a set of Stilsons if you're careful, to the correct angle. Thread sealant will seal down. You can bring a square flange plastic PE pipework system flange straight into this, or we also offer flexible connectors in 90mm or 160mm length, square flange both sides, to allow you to bring your pipework out over the edges of your tank lid. And we also offer a flexi from this 2-inch square flange, which reduces down to 1.5-inch square flange at the other side. So if you want to connect 50mm or 1.5-inch plastic pipework to this, you can easily. Really fast and simple way to install suction drop tubes into tanks without the need for lever bushes and heavy steel suction tubes. Makes installation fast and easy, and is very cost effective.